Well, my plane just showed up, running late, but at least it's here. It's supposed to take off at 1:40, and it just got here, so. Well, Diesel Brothers, here we come. Right here at Diesel Sellers, just checking some stuff out. Look at this thing, dude, it's huge. Look at this. How do you get into this thing? It's a massive, massive thing. Getting picked up in this thing as a school bus. Yeah, probably the snow wouldn't matter. Look at this thing. You can fit our car underneath here. This thing's pretty cool. The whole deal is pretty cool here, from what it was to now. Look at that. Everybody's here, they're filming, so here's this thing. I didn't see this thing yesterday. I bet you can have some fun with this thing. I wouldn't mind working here. Seems like a fun place to work. It's pretty nice. How do you guys get the cars up there?
Up there?
Yeah.
Forklift. They literally have to like move everything out of the store
It's crazy.
by forklift and
That's the whole setup. Pretty good setup. But, well, it's a pretty fun little pit stop. Have a little fun and, you know, get to see something in person. That's kind of cool. And that's it. Time to call it a day. Hey you guys, just editing the video here. A couple of hours before my flight leaves, heading back home finally. I was here for a week in Salt Lake City, but it was a fun trip. It was pretty cool to visit the Diesel brothers, and it was pretty cool to see everything in person. And just gonna edit this out, and just wanted to say thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you enjoyed this little trip I had. It was one of my pit stops. Always wanted to do that, so I think maybe next month I'm gonna go to Colorado, make some pit stops there. We'll see if that works out for work. But other than that, again, thanks for watching, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe. I'll try to make more videos, more fun stuff. And I wanted to throw in this little video I found on my GoPro. Didn't even know it was there. I didn't even know my buddy was recording, so enjoy. Thanks you guys. There we go.
So we're out here with Serge, about to light up a fat one.
That's what we do.
Look at this sick ass Chevy. Except for Serge always cries, "Ooh, I don't want to haul or anything with this thing. It's my baby." We're like, let's haul that sick ass bull over there, you know? He's like, no. Always crying to Eddie. Today.
So today in the morning I had a couple of hours to kill at the hotel, so I edited some videos, and I was editing a little pit stop I had at the Diesel brothers. So I stopped by, filmed some stuff, and I'm like, that's cool. I talked to them, and they were in I guess they were in California or something, and busy, and I'm like, maybe I was gonna snap a picture or something. Like, it's cool. But I was heading back, driving back, got to the airport, standing in line to pass the TSA, and I look up, and I see somebody just mobbing through the airport, and I'm like, that's Dave, that's Heavy D. And I'm like, no way. I'm like, I was just at their shop, so I grabbed a picture with him. That was pretty cool. What are the odds? I'm like, I'm flying out of Salt Lake, and apparently he just flew in. Super nice. Took a couple pictures, and that's it. I figured I was gonna render it at the hotel, but didn't have time, so I didn't render it. And I'm like, I'll come home, render it, then upload it. So I thought that was the end of the video, but now I had to add this little piece, and it was kind of cool. It made my day. So again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. See you on the next one.